This is us getting pumped for skydiving. We gotta dance it out. Okay, so here's the deal. Kristin and I just went skydiving at Lake Chelan, and the video tells one story. We kind of want to tell you what was going on in our minds. Why? Yeah. Oh, yeah. All right, let's take a look at the real story. Checking your harnesses.
I think you did it right.
You think you did it right?
If I go ahead and climb in, you're gonna flush your head and sit behind the pilot.
She goes in first because
You think you did it right?
because she gets to be in the back of the plane.
Did it open like that? She's just gonna roll out halfway.
We'll close the door if you're nice.
I'm not strapped in yet.
By the way, you should probably close that door.
I wasn't strapped in. Like the whole time we weren't strapped in. Aw.
Aw, cute. I hate you. Yay, we're in a tiny janky plane that may kill us.
These are all fogged up. Is that a bad?
I can't.
Okay.
They're fogged up. I'm blind. What the hell am I doing with my life?
She's just trying to remain calm because she's just like, "F this, f this."
Here it is.
Look, he's so big for that plane. He can't
He's
even
so
stand
big.
up.
Oh my gosh.
I'm like, great. There's no memory.
Your footage isn't happening.
No
Cool.
memory card.
Oh!
That's when my heart drops. Right there. I'm like, ooh, look.
I love seeing your panic because I'm usually the one freaking out.
I was panicked because there was no memory and because I was about to jump out of a plane. Kristen's gone! Oh my god!
He's like, reach forward, and I'm literally grabbing at the controllers on the airplane.
I think
And the pilot was like, no, 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 shh, shh. Okay, put your feet out, cool. What am I doing in my life? Why is this a choice? And then as soon as both feet got there, I was like, oh crap, now he's just gonna go.
My heart just drops at this point.
Bye! Head first. Head first. My favorite part is
He's like, all right.
hold on, and I'll tap you and then let go.
Yeah.
I just swan dive out of the plane.
Monica, there are standards, there are rules.
There was no holding onto the harness. It was just
You ruined everything.
and then I could not talk. Yeah, this is an awesome mouth face.
My leg is cramping. My leg! My leg!
The best part was he did not tell me, but there was an airplane below us, so he had to pull the chute almost immediately.
At least they're gonna tell you that in the air.
We're gonna die! It's gonna die, clown!
There's a bug in my
All right, let's watch your face. I want to see your face on this tip.
bug. Get off.
This is the true behind the scenes. We
mine?
we also landed into a winery with glasses of wine waiting. So
That was really nice.
This is why we're doing the commentary right now because
Yeah.
it's
Because this is after where we already have the one.
okay. I can't believe how mildly calm I was in the airplane.
Or just creepily silent.
Just just in shock. Just in comatose. What?
That's so weird. Someone's texting.
Full panic.
Put that in slow motion and I'm just like, look.
Full panic. You're smiling. I'm losing my mind.
She's just staring down.
That was
just like,
742. Let's see.
she's in a little ball of like, don't look.
Okay, let's see. Our pilot, who's 16 years old.
He's very nice.
He's very
I'm sure he did great.
He did. How's your friend? Not okay. Not okay. Oh my God.
Sounds good. I'm like,
Sounds
okay. Do I have a choice?
I don't have a choice. This is the money shot.
Here we go.
She's got the right helmet. That's what I need. She took the camera away right when I was basically swearing.
Yeah.
And I got out pretty quickly.
Yeah, you just hopped out. No big
Yeah.
deal. Okay, let's do it.
Now she's very close to my face, so I apologize for that. Oh my
You
god.
look so happy.
It was insane. Because like you don't know what to do with your face, but you just try to look out and enjoy.
You look so happy.
Look at my I look so thin.
It's a facelift, whether you want it or not.
Goes right up, right up. Look how cool.
Look at your cheekbones.
I know. You gotta blank a lot of stuff that I say out.
We're just gonna bleep all of Kristin's.
Sorry, I say a lot of swears.
Losing her mind.
No, it was one of those moments where you just don't even like get it. It's
You don't even know what to
surreal. It's beautiful. It's fun. It's not even like that nervous feeling I get in a roller coaster.
Right?
It wasn't even a roller coaster.
Like it's one of
feeling.
those, like you could drop at this point and still die. You're like
Yeah.
1,000 feet in the air,
And yet
but
I'm
it doesn't
okay.
register.
Like,
You're just like, this is beautiful.
My brain is just so, it's just so pretty. But I did feel like there was like, I just drank salt water.
Yeah, that was me like,
Yeah,
look at that lake.
yeah.
Oh,
The lake looked bluer above than it did.
totally. Oh my gosh. So great. All right.
The sun was
Let's watch the
beautiful.
landing video.
So when we were landing, she was telling me to put my feet up, which was fine, because I could. She loosened me. And then we came in pretty hot, and it was fine.
Look at that winery. Come on now.
Yeah. She gave us a little few turns.
It's the highway. Don't
Yeah.
land on that.
What? I was trying to like just put my arms out as much as possible.
Living your best life.
I'm like, I gotta fly.
I believe I can fly. I believe I can touch the sky. I'm landing. Oh, landing. And yeah.
And there it is.
Boom.
And then I got like a whole bunch of shit on my face.
We just flew fast.
It's more fun that way. Look at my hair. I look like a
I should have started later. This is a long time.
Yeah, you're fine.
And we drink.
It'll come quick. So Monica took her goggles off.
Yeah. At this point, I was like waving and screaming at you.
Yeah. And I was waving too, but I don't know if they caught me.
Well, I
on
could
the
see
camera
you from up there.
No, on my camera.
Here we
But,
go. He was like, we're gonna dip to the side and then we're gonna swing into the ground. And I was like, okay, cool.
Swing in.
Literally at that moment, I was like, abs, 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 lift your legs, lift your legs.
Yeah, you stopped though pretty quickly. I feel like I stood
So geeked. And down.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
So good.
Holy cow, that was amazing. Drink.
All I know is I landed and there was like 6 cameras coming at me and glasses of wine, and I was
Alcohol.
like, this is my heaven. Maybe I did die.
Here's the joy. Holy cow.
So funny.
So good. So
He got into it too.
I know he was
Look at
all
him.
about it. This is what it was truly like from our point of view. Skydiving.
Yeah.
Cheers, y'all.
Cheers. Into a winery, by the way.
Kicked out.